Looking for wisdom that speaks to your heart? Say hello to Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe. Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe, brings ancient wisdom to today's world. Each week he dives into the Noam Elimelech, unraveling profound insights from the Parsha. Whether you're deeply versed in Torah study or just beginning your journey, Rabbi Kolakowski's teachings are accessible and inspiring. His unique approach not only sheds light on the text but also offers practical guidance for modern life. So, why not join us and discover the timeless wisdom of the Noam Elimelech? With Rabbi Kolakowski, every Parsha becomes a path to deeper understanding and personal growth. Tune in and let the Koblenzer Rebbe illuminate your week with Torah truths that resonate. Subscribe now to stay inspired and spiritually connected.
Shalom and blessings, welcome to our channel. Every Wednesday, Rabbi Kolakowski, affectionately known as the Koblenzer Rebbe, shares a teaching from the holy Hasidic volume, Noam Elimelech. This week, for Parshas Naso, the Rebbe Reb Melech teaches a homily on the contrast between the holiness of the saints against the impurity of sinners. Let's watch.
Welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Heilige Rebbe Melech from Luzhensk, in the book Noam Elimelech. This week's Parsha is Parshas Naso, which is actually the longest Parsha of the year, single Parsha. We read Vaydaber Hashem el Moshe, and the Lord spoke unto Moses, V'shalchem in Amchaneh kol tzivir v'chol zav v'chol tami l'nafesh. You should send out from the camp every leper and everyone experiencing an irregular emission and anyone who is impure due to contact with a dead body. V'asav b'nei Yisrael, and the children of Israel did thus. Kain asav b'nei Yisrael, and thus did the children of Israel. It's a question. Why does it say a superfluous language? Near Lefarish, a kefal lashon. So it appears that we should have to explain this seemingly superfluous double language. V'asav b'nei Yisrael, Kain asav b'nei Yisrael, and the children of Israel did this, and thus did the children of Israel. Hu yiter lashon. This seems to be superfluous. Nearer, it appears, Ki Amar Hashem Yisbarach Baruch Hu, the blessed Lord may be blessed as possible. Lisa is Rosh as follows. Lisa is Rosh b'nei Gershon Kasem Merari, to lift up the heads, meaning to count, but literally to lift up the heads of the children of Gershon, Kehath, and Merari. Keremes b'zeliyos sheish gimel mitzadikim mishunim madregasim zemizeh. We know that the general theme in the Noam Elimelech are the different types of saints that there are. And so these three Levite families hint to various levels of sainthood which are different from one another. There's one type of saint who's called Kohas, al shemaisav kadoshim v'torim, and based on his holy and pure deeds. The verse says, and unto him gather the people, to teach them the good ways of the Lord. The second level is called Merari. Merari is a term of mar, which means bitter, which means master, but here we're learning as bitter, that he engages in self-flagellation and punishment through fasting and all kinds of penances which are very bitter, and he does this out of his tremendous fear and his abstinence. Shlishu asher hu keger ba'aretz, and the third is like someone who's a stranger in the world, in the land. V'shafal berach on vas and gadol nivse be'aynav nim as. So he's very humble and bends the knee and is very lowly in his own eyes. Al shem kach nikra Gershom, and for that reason he's called Gershom, because he says, I was a stranger in that land. So when there are these three holy levels of sainthood among the Israelites, it's like it's So it rescues the people from three negative levels, other levels. Those are the leper, the one experiencing an undue emission, and the one who is impure to the soul, to the dead body. So therefore the blessed Lord may be blessed, commanded to expel and excommunicate from the camp these three impure levels. So the Israelites are holy prophets. As soon as they received the commandments of the three holy levels, which are Gershon, Kohath, and Merari, they understood on their own that they need to remove those other three impure levels from the camp. That's why we have this superfluous language of saying thus they did. Meaning even before they were commanded with this commandment, they understood this on their own, and they had in mind the truth. And they sent them in order that their camp should be holy with these three holy levels. We should understand this well. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment, and we'll see you later. Alright, how do I turn this thing off?
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.